How to connect LG Smart TV with Wi-Fi. Hi there, in this video you're going to learn how to connect your LG Smart TV to Wi-Fi step by step. Whether you just got a new TV or you're setting up again, this quick guide will help you get connected in no time. Let's get started. Step by step. Step 1. Turn on the TV. First, make sure your LG Smart TV is turned on. Step 2. Open the settings menu. Now, grab your remote and press the settings button. If your remote doesn't have a dedicated settings button, press the home button instead and navigate into settings using the arrows. Step 3. Go to network settings. Once you're in the settings menu, scroll down and select all settings or advanced settings. Then, go to the network tab. Step 4. Choose Wi-Fi connection. Select Wi-Fi connection and then your TV will begin searching for available wireless network automatically. Step 5. Select your network. From the list of networks, find and select your Wi-Fi name. Use the arrows on your remote to navigate and press OK to choose it. Step 6. Enter the password. Next, enter your Wi-Fi password using the on-screen keyboard. Take your time to make sure it's typed correctly. Step 7. Connect. Once the password is entered, press connect. After a few seconds, your TV should be successfully connected to the internet. If your Wi-Fi doesn't show up, make sure your router is turned on and nearby. Still having trouble? Try restarting your TV and router. And that's it. That was the quick tutorial on how to connect your LG Smart TV to Wi-Fi. If this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more tips like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next time.